Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today is Tablescape Tuesday. It is hosted by Anna from the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and Courtney from Amethyst Adventures. It is freestyle. You can choose whatever you want to do for your table, and I have chosen to do a beach theme. My plates have a different sea animal on each plate that I ordered from Amazon. I have a beachy candle and a few other things. I'll take you around the table and show you what I have done. So stay tuned. Okay, I started with a cleaned off table. And the first thing is this striped table runner. I've had this for quite a few years. I like it because it's got a little bit of blue in it. I also want to take this time to thank all my new subscribers and for all those that keep coming back to view my videos. I appreciate it so much. Okay, next I have these gold placemats. I think they are so pretty. I love their shape. And on top of that, I'll be adding a glass clear plate and one of my beachy plates that have starfish on them. And then this one has a little seahorse. So again, with the gold placemat, the clear glass plate, and the seahorse dessert. I guess you could use it as a salad or a dessert plate. Okay, next is this plate with a sea turtle. So all four of these came from Amazon and at a very good price. The placemats also came from Amazon, and the clear glass plates, Dollar General. Okay, and the last sea creature plate is a sea crab. And here is a really pretty centerpiece. It has a very natural look to it. Like the base of it is sticks that have a really pretty twine wrapped around it. I'll give you a close-up later. And of course, candles on each side with a white candle and a crystal candle holder with a little bit of greenery around it. So the centerpiece is very wispy. That's why I like it. It reminds me of the beach. But so far, so good. I love the way it's coming together. What do you all think? Next, I'll be adding these wine glasses. I have two that are tinted blue and another two that are tinted green. Okay, next is these navy blue napkins with the beaded napkin ring around it. So I'm going to be placing those at each of the four table settings. Okay, next is this candle that I got at the Cracker Barrel gift shop. And I'm going to put this on top of a distressed candlestick. Now stay tuned because I will be lighting all my candles, but I do think it looks really nice. I love that beachy look. Well, no table setting is complete without desserts. So here are my faux cupcakes that I did order from Amazon. And in these little cloches, I have a little candle. Now here I have some seashells, and I'm going to be placing those around the centerpiece. And I even have these little seashells that look like little turtles. And the turtles even have little eyeglasses made. Aren't they adorable? I do not remember where I got those. I have had those for probably 15 years or longer. So as I'm going to be placing all the seashells, like I said, around the centerpiece, and then I'll be lighting the candles. Okay, now I'm lighting the candles. I love the way candle lights add ambiance to any table or any decorating as far as that goes. So I do want to thank everybody for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please feel free to. I'm getting very close to 1,000 subscribers. I'm so excited. And please leave a comment, a like, and a share, and do check out the playlist. And again, thanks to Anna and Courtney for hosting this collaboration. Bye-bye for now.